What is up, YouTube? Today I will be making a little tutorial on how to make a kunai knife part 1. So this is how it will look with the ring, and you can swing it, throw it. You will need tape or scissors, which is optional because you can just cut with your hand. So to start off, you're going to need 4 squares. 4 squares like this, which all the 4 squares will only take up 1 piece of paper. I'm going to go through with you 2 of them, and then you make the other 2. So you take it, you fold it like that. Just make a nice crease, like that. Like that. And fold like an airplane. On both sides of it, so I'm looking on the other side. So you'll have this thing. So then you fold it in like that. So you have that, and you'll do the same on the other side. And you'll have this little shape. And simple now, you just fold it like that. Nice crease, and you will have this. And next, make the next one. Same thing, fold it. Okay. And that's folded. So now you have to make the other 2. I thought ahead and I made the other 2, so you will end up having 4 pieces of these. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 of them, hold it like this, and put it one like inside and the other one outside. And you will have this from both connected, and you're going to have to tape them together. Okay, this is the end of part 1. Check out part 2. Please like and subscribe. Bye.